Now, another element that we'll be handling through actions is a droppable element. I need to drag it and drop it. I can drop it here, I can drop it here, I can drop it here. If we are dropping it to a particular element, then what we need to do, if we are dropping it to any location, then what we need to do. That is what we'll be looking at. So let's take a look at a drag and drop example. It's very straightforward, very simple, simply handled using actions, drag and drop. So I'll copy this and paste it here. And then I'll copy this. Now, whichever element you want to drag, just take the XPath of that element or ID, straightforward ID. Store it into a web element, draggable equal to driver dot find element by dot ID this. Then wherever you want to drop it, just inspect that element, take the ID, web element droppable equal to driver dot find element by dot ID this, import and call actions, action equal to new actions driver, and say action dot drag and drop. Source draggable target droppable dot perform. That's it. So if I run this, you can see it has dragged and dropped that element. Now, if in case you don't want to drop it within the element, you want to drop it here or here, then you need to give x-axis and y-axis. So instead of drag and drop, you'll be using drag and drop by. Because drag and drop by accepts the first argument in the method as your web element, and then the x-axis and the y-axis where you want to drop it on the page. So you can give it a try, right? So that is what drag and drop. It's very simple to handle using actions.